Alright, I'm here with another layout. This is 3 years ago. And Mateo never colored eggs before, so I taught him how to color eggs. So, and then I hid them and he found them, and then he hid them and I found them. And then we ate them. I'm gonna have to put glue on this. It's gonna get lost. Alright, so of course my background is pencil cardstock. And this is the first layout I'm doing with the April kit. There we go. Alright. So I'm going to use this die cut Easter and then just add happy to it. So the die cut is let's see here, butterfly, dots. Okay, so these are simple stories, bunnies and balloons, or bunnies plus balloons, bunnies and balloons. I just used cardstock for my circles, and I used paper from the March, left over from the March kit, to make the purple tag. Hey, Sabrina, what are you chewing on my layouts for, silly girl? No, don't bite me. You never bite the hand that feeds you. So that pink strip is Hip Kit Club's Pretty Sweet. The yellow chevron strip is also from Pretty Sweet. Those papers are from the March, not April. You don't want to be brushed? You're just going to bite my brush? Because that's the good thing to do? Huh? Owie, you got my finger. Owie, 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 owie. You got my finger, girl. Grabbing the brush and grab my finger. And then that purple paper is what I cut the tag out of. See, and I'm getting my stencil to do so. Huh? So now I just gotta cut it out. And I don't think you are going to find any kitty cats because they are outside or my door's shut. I'm probably listening to music or watching my TV. My dad talked me into watching 24, so Kiefer Sutherland, so he kept asking me, telling me I should watch it, you should watch it, so I started watching it. Are you gonna eat my notes? Are you hungry, Sabrina? There's food. You know that, right? As soon as I'm done with these voiceovers, I'm gonna add these to my blog, and then go in the living room and watch some TV and type the information in my blog for these layouts. So I'm not sure what I'm doing. Because I'm just kind of sitting there. Or maybe I was on the phone when my dad called. And I just totally forgot I was recording. Because I do stop it here in a minute, so I do apologize for me just sitting there. Yeah, I'm talking. And I totally forgot I was recording. My goodness. Feel sleepy like I didn't sleep, but I did. Yeah, I am talking with my hands. So, sorry guys. I should have sped that up a little. Oh my goodness, this is falling apart too, the words. Oh my gosh. This stuff. Ow. Hurt. Ow. Scab. Excellent. Now, back to the task at hand. So there we go. Thanks for being patient, guys. Alright. So here's where I'm going to go through the project life cards to try to figure out what to put there. And I've had those project life cards for a long time. Oh goodness, the whole title is messed up. My next layout that I have, my last layout that I have ready, is the before and after of my cubes. Those are my, well, I have many different sorts. Yeah. Anyway, so here's where I do the circles. There. Now my title for that is not going to come off. There. I hope these will come off. That's some fine. Man, my computer is letting off some heat. Ooh.
Hi, Bobby. Hi, Jim.
Hold on. That's
Jump in.
alright. So I'm gonna cut out my circles. stuck in traffic. Sabrina's laying on my cutter. Alright, anyway. And now embellishment time. Nickeled. Oh, of course Theo has to come. Sorry, that's my husband. Always no. Oh. Looks like it. Oh. I see. Now. Alright. See, he's such a pain in the tush. And then I stop, so until he leaves and come back. Story of my life. So, in the meantime, I worked on a few other things. So I'm going to set that bunny behind the row of tulips to make him look like he's walking behind them. Oh, I'm sorry, man. The shadow is horrible. I do apologize. I don't have my other light on, apparently. Or this was done in my window was open. Maybe I didn't have it where I was in my scrapbook room and I didn't have the lights on. Man, it is hot in this room. Wow, that is one long trailer. So I'm gonna see what else I can do. My goodness. Just bear with the poor video quality. So which means my next one is probably the same way. Because I haven't been doing much. Sitting in my scrapbook room, scrapbooking, blah, blah, blah. Because I've been doing way too much. My whole entire summer break, I have done nothing but work, work, work. Between yard work and in the house, trying to do stuff, fix it. And so my elbows hurt to where it hurts to even grip a pencil. So I've been trying to just take a break and give my poor body some rest, even though it's really driving me nuts. So, anyway. So I'm going to add some embellishments. The die cuts are Simple Stories Bunnies plus Ember Bloom. Sorry about that. Alright, let's see if I can get this finished uninterrupted now. Hey, Sabrina. Alright, so I am going to use a butterfly and a bird, and those are Maggie Holmes' Garden Party. Otherwise, everything else is Simple Stories, bunnies, and balloons. Alright, so I am just adding the die cuts, and unfortunately, because of the shadows and whatnot, it's hard to see. So I used the chipboard stickers, and I was going to use these butterflies, acetate butterflies that were left over from March, but I didn't really use them. But I decided to use that butterfly, and then I'm going to leave briefly to grab a black pen, and I'm going to do the little fly pattern behind the butterfly. First I'm going to do it in pencil. And now I'm going to use my Sharpie. And I'm going to put down, here's where I put down the, say it with crystals, or say it in crystals, something like that. They're Prima Marketing Golden Coast. Say it in crystals. Hey, Pumpkin. What you doing? Huh? What you doing? That little water droplet on your chin. Yeah. Yeah. They have a container of fresh water, and she drinks from the water that I use with my paintbrushes. But anyway, so here's pictures. These are much better than the video. And thanks for bearing with me. And when I have more, I'll be back with those. Bye.